In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an AVI file into an MP4 file on your computer. So in order to do this, we first need to install a free application called VLC Media Player. You can do this by heading over to your Start menu and searching for Microsoft Store. From the Microsoft Store, search for VLC Player right at the top here and hit Enter. And click on this top search result, this VLC one, and then you should have a button here to install it. I already have this installed on my PC. Once you have installed the VLC Media Player, we're simply going to launch up the application. Once you're inside of VLC Media Player, come over to Media in the top left-hand side, click on Convert/Save. Underneath File Selection, click on the Add button, and now from here you need to locate your AVI file. Mine's this one at the top, so double click on this. Then click on Convert/Save. Next to this profile drop down, you need to select H.264 and it should have MP4 in brackets. Then click on this tool icon next to it. Make sure MP4/MOV is selected. Then head over to Audio Codec. Then what you need to do is uncheck Keep Original Audio Track. I'm going to change this codec to MP3 like so. Click on Save. Then click on the destination file, click Browse, and this is where you want the file to be saved to. So I'm just going to select my desktop. Make sure the file extension is .mp4 at the end. Make sure the Save As type is selected as MP4 and then hit Save. Then click Start. And then just wait for your video to finish converting. Now, if I head over to my files, you can see down here, this is the file that we just converted. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you convert an AVI file to an MP4 file. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.